Alright, so let's get started with this tutorial. So I already went ahead to section my hair off camera, and I had moisturized my hair the night before. So you can just go ahead and play around with the section of the hair. And the reason why I sectioned mine off camera was because I needed to be able to see what I'm doing clearly. And if I'm recording the video, it's a little harder to do that. So the next thing will be to go in with my Eco Styler gel, and then I added that, and then I brushed my hair. The lines in the middle might not be perfect, and that's okay. So, I don't like using rubber bands, so I'm going to use this stuff here. I don't like it too tight either. And I'm just going to do that to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. I'll be using these extensions, the kinky hair, and then this is color 2. I just went ahead to grab one bundle and a little bit to use for the back, for the poofy section. I'm just going to add my rubber band in the middle. So you can do this 2 ways. You can do it this way, or you can crochet it in to your back hair. So I'll be using 2 like this. 2 for each one. And I'll just use these 2. I'll use my clip, put it in place, and then I'll go in with this big puffy one, and then I'll go attach that. I'll just put this around. You guys get it? So now we're going to just secure with our bobby pin. I'm just going to turn around so I can see what I'm doing. You guys will see why we did what we did in a few seconds. And I'm using a different bobby pin today. So underneath this, you can leave this as it is, or you can just roll it. So tuck that away, protective style 101. Alright, so at this point, we're gonna have this tucked away, and I'm gonna grab this and fold it up like so. And I'll grab my bobby pin again to secure it on both sides. I want to repeat this process again. This time around, we'll be grabbing 4. We'll go again. Put this rubber band in the middle. So I'm done twisting and just went ahead and put this on. So I'm going with this hand. So I'll just repeat the same process of using the hair to cover my natural hair. Just go ahead and fold this up. So make sure you roll this up well. Okay, I'm excited already, as you guys can see. Well, coming together and looking great. All right, so the last thing would be to lay your edges and use your scarf. Okay, do a few touches. Oh, and also I'll usually use my shine and jam to make sure that my hair stays together, like put together, but I didn't want to use that. I just wanted light gel in my hair, and I didn't want it to be too slicked, so I just use a little gel. That's why you notice that my hair is not slicked, it's still looking a bit puffy. If you want your hair to be slicked, you might want to use shine and jam, or better still, use more Eco Styler gel and then pull your hair together. I didn't want my hair to be too slick because I just feel like I want it to be a little bit puffy still, so that's why I use a little gel. So it's up to you, see what works for you and play around with it. You can go in with Got2b glue gel, but I mean, I'll be taking this hair off anytime soon, so I can get another video off for you guys. So I mean, no need to use any Got2b glue, but I mean, for a week, if you want this hair to last a week plus, you can use Got2b glue as well as your Got2b glue spray. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. I love you guys. If you're not part of the family, if you're not part of the Bees family, what are you waiting for? Tell me, just tell me, what are you waiting for? Anyways, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll see you guys soon.